Hello friends, welcome to Nand Kishore classes. Today's lecture is going to be very interesting. Please have a look at the question. This question is very interesting because we use trigonometry in this question. Area of this triangle is given as 32 root 3. It is given here. Area of triangle is given as 32 root 3 square units. One angle is 90 degree, obviously it's a right angle triangle. And this angle is given as 60 degree, right? And we need to find the length DF. What have they told to find? They have told us to find the length DF. Where is DF? DF lies here, which I have darkened here now. This length we need to find. Let me write here, area is given as 32 square root of 3 square units. Square units is also there along with it. Now how to start this question? We know that area of a triangle is given by half times base times height. But what is base and what is height? In fact, base I need to find. Then I thought of that angle given is 60 degree, this one, this angle. And tangent of 60, if I write tangent of 60 degree, tangent is given by perpendicular over base, or at few places it is also known as, in fact both have same meaning, it is known as opposite over adjacent. I would tell you both are same. Perpendicular over base, opposite over adjacent means side opposite to the angle which we are using. Like we are using 60 degree angle, F angle. Opposite to it, it becomes opposite. Adjacent means this side. So O and A. And same are perpendicular and base also. Different methods are there, different ways are there, people remember. That is why I am using both of them. Now value of tangent 60 is square root of 3. I know that. That means opposite over adjacent is equal to square root of 3. Now square root of 3 I can write it as square root of 3 upon 1 because denominator can be written as 1. Now the point is opposite can be written as square root of 3x and adjacent can be written as 1x. It doesn't mean that opposite is directly root 3. No. Root 3 upon 1 is the lowest form. There must be something else. So what I am going to consider, please check very carefully. This opposite value, I am going to write square root of 3x and adjacent value I am considering x. Check it very carefully. One value is root 3, one value is x. And this is satisfying tangent 60 criteria. That is what the use of trigonometry is. Obviously, it can be understood by those who know what is tangent, right? Those who are not aware, you can write to us. We'll send you the related links where you can study it. Now, let's move ahead in the question. After the selection of sides, what we need to do further? We are given area as 32 root 3. It is written over there at top. Now, what is the formula for area? Formula for area is half times base times height. That means half time base time height, this is given is equal to 32 root 3, right? Now, let me substitute the values. Base is this one which I have considered x and height is square root of 3x. This is equal to 32 root 3. Step by step we are going to solve and I am sure you will be able to understand. Now, what will we get? Square root of 3, 2 is in the denominator, x multiply x is x square which is equal to 32 root 3. Please check this step as well. I hope you are clear with. I am going to write next step here at the top. Now what I am going to do, I am going to do cross multiplication. This x square will be equal to 32 root 3. This 2 will be cross multiplied and will be multiplied with 32 root 3. So it is multiplied by 2. And this root 3 will come in the denominator. See, it is written like this. Now root 3 and root 3 cancelled. And we are left with x square is equal to 64. 32 multiplied 2, which is left, I have written 64. Now next step of solution is taking square root on both sides. When you take square root on both sides, we will get x is equal to square root of 64. Now what is square root of 64? This is 8. So A option is the correct option. A option is having value 8. So what is I am getting? I am getting value of x as 8 only, because square root of 64 is 8. And x is df only. See, df which we were supposed to find, we have considered x only. That means this side is having length 8 units, which is our required answer. So this question was little bit typical because they had not given any side, neither opposite nor adjacent, neither perpendicular nor base. So I used trigonometry tangent 60 in order to identify those sides. I hope you are clear with the concept. Thank you so much for watching the video.